Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia. Getting really hot around here now. Warm, I'll stay with the warm word just for a while longer. Well, just depends where if you get a breeze. Breeze is good. But I'm sitting in here now with no fan. I can't because I've got to clean it first. So I can't turn it on now until I do that. Anyway, so I've been in here now. Yesterday I decided Mondays are going to be the day that I work on stuff for my Etsy, because I've got to do that. And so today I want to show you something that I seen the lady at Treasure Books. Can't remember your name, I'm sorry, but she's in Australia. She does a lot of bits and pieces, and when I say bits and pieces, she does a lot of paper crafting, and she's really good at all that sort of thing. So anyway, I seen her make one of these. I've actually seen people do them long before because it's been around a little while, but I watched her and that's what's inspired me to have a go today. Now, you need a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You don't need to, because actually you can make them out of something smaller. Where's my scissors? Right. You can make them any size, because I just last night just kept on going with, I kept on getting bits of paper and having another go and having another go and having another go. So we're just going to make a booklet. Okay. So I'm going to cut this bit off the end. I have a lot of 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and I actually hate cutting it to make it smaller. It's silly, but you know. They look good, don't they? They look nice. I'll keep them. I'll put them on something. Okay, now, which side am I going to have for my right side? There's only this tiny little bit of pattern here. Well, for my front, I should say. I don't mind which way's the front and which way's the back. I think I'll have the plain one on the front. So you fold it in half like so, right? There we go. Fold it then half like that. And we give it a bit of a burnish around with this bone folder thing, because I think it's best if you have a double-sided piece of paper. Then you fold it over here like this, I think. Yep, you do. You take it to the middle, and I did that with mine to make sure that it wasn't going to get stuck in there. This is my take on it anyway, so if I'm doing it wrong, I'm sorry. This is how we do mine. Okay, so that one goes like that, and it'll fold over so it won't crease. Rightio. Now, I just need to do one this way, I think, completely in half, like that. So you've got crease there, a crease here, a crease here, and a crease here. I think you can see them. Now all you have to do now, I hope I'm not going to muck this up, is you cut up this line here. Okay? Just cut up this line as straight as you can go. This crease. Best if you do a good job. Please yourself though, do your best. We do our best. Straight is not something I'm good at it. There we go, right to there. Just there, don't go any further than there. Right, so you leave your end bit on. Okay. You've probably seen this done many times before. Now, you want to bring this one to the front, because this is what I want for the front. And then you turn that to the back, and then you go over to that way, right? Now you turn it down like this. Oops, no, that's not right. Hang on a minute, Sonia, hang on a minute. That way, yeah, that way, that way, that way, and that way. Right, now we'll redo that if you like. I'll just squish it for you. I'll squish it down. Okay, so you can take it apart again, like that. Okay, so you have to cut it to the first, over the first crease and the second crease and leave the third crease there, okay? And then all you do is you pick it up, and this is your front, so you push it back down on there, you push this back down on there, you go across there, and across there, and you've got a little booklet, okay? Which you have. I'll show you if you open it up like that, or that, but we are going to firstly put a, so this way is the top, I think, because I want to put it, when you make a pocket here, you can glue this, you've got to glue this piece up along there, and I want to do across the top of mine. If you don't want to do that, you can leave the top open, but then the front's open, so it's up to you what part you leave open. I'll just stick that down. So you can put glue up there and across the top here. Oh, my daughter's incredible. She always comes when it's time for me to do a video. But anyway, I've got to keep going because I'm not going to stop. It just can't be done today. Sorry, Peggy, I'm busy. And across there. Okay. And just squish that down. If you want to leave the top open, you can glue down the other bit. See what I've done? I've glued down here, right? That bit. And across the top here. Yep. Okay. And that's good. Rightio. So now we have a booklet that opens. There's a page there, and 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 then you can turn it over and you've got it on the other side as well. So I'm going to show you now how to put some signatures in there and how to put some other things in there and decorate it. Now it's up to you. I thought about going on and doing the, sit down and putting the corners on it, because I think it'd look good if you did the corners, but I just don't know what would look like if I cut that there. It might look all right. Wait a minute. We'll have a see. I've got one here that I did earlier, which I haven't even decorated or anything. Where do I put that? I was going to show it to you, so but if I can find it. I've been doing so much, and you will see later on what that is one day when I get it done. Not doing journals. So this is the one that I did last night. I do love the colours on this one. But I haven't actually put these in because they're too big yet. I'm going to cut this part here off and see what it looks like. Wait a minute, I'll do a little one. Oh, because I've got a little one. It's cute, isn't it? Look. But I didn't use double-sided double-sided paper, and I thought that if I did, so all I did was get a 6x6 sheet of paper and just fold it in half and do the other folds and then cut. I did it exactly the same way, okay? So I want to get this here and see what these corners are going to look like if I cut them. They'll go like that. But that's good, isn't it? I like it. I'm doing it right. So I'm going to do the end pieces here. Okay. That one. And this one, come on, and this bit, for some reason I don't seem to have got them level up the top. I might have to cut a bit off that, make it straight. I might have to cut a bit off and make it straight. See, it is when it's folded, it's just not when I put that there. I thought the kids went back to school today. Obviously they didn't. Ah well. Here, the large one I'm using, aren't I? They don't actually belong to our family, these children. They are my daughter's friends' children, I suppose. So, but they do call us Poppy and Nanson. I'm having a terrible time with my arm. I'm going around here trying to find places to cut this, so if you can hang on to me with me for that, it'd be really good. Cut these pieces off, this piece here off. Okay, what do I do about this bit? There's no way that'll cut through all them. I don't think. No, I don't want to break it. It doesn't matter, does it, if I haven't missed him? Have I missed any more? I've got that one, that one, that one. Here's one. Need to do. This one here I need to do. So Jeremy is a lot better, I must say. Thank you everybody for all your kind wishes on him making it better. He's still got a bit of a cough, but he did say the other day that he thought he'd have to go to the doctor, and he gets up in the morning, oh, yeah, I feel a lot better today. So the night time, the things do get you again of a night time, don't they? So I don't know how that's going to look. All them are cut. All them are cut. That one too? Yeah. Okay, right out. Now, I'm going to have to cut these to make them the right size to fit in here, because I didn't do that when I cut them. Now I've got it the wrong way. I'm going to do this is the front. So let's just put something nice on the front. So I've got the front sorted out. Okay. I'm going to put a pocket on there, made out of what I don't know yet. Okay, what have we got in here?